5 trash and 7 elite SUVs you can snag in 2026. You won't believe how poor some of these cars are and how perfectly built others have become for 2026. We've done all the research so you don't have to. Today we're breaking down the 5 worst and 7 top SUVs you can get in 2026. And trust us, one of the worst picks might shock you. It's a huge favorite that completely missed the mark this year. Stick around till the end because the #1 top SUV on our list is an absolute world beater. The Money Trap 5 cars to skip. 1. The Alfa Tonale. Taking the first spot is the Alfa Tonale. Almost everything about the Alfa Romeo sounds good on paper. It is a sleek-looking car from the outside in. It comes in the gas-powered TI or hybrid Sprint. It has a powerful 2.0-liter turbocharged engine, producing 256 horsepower. It also has a 9-speed automatic transmission, not a CVT. The Alfa Tonale is built for speed and does 0 to 60 miles per hour in 6.0 seconds. You can also get a 3V6 that gives 300 horsepower. The hybrid Sprint Veloce is also incredibly quick. Unfortunately, it has a turbocharged 1.3-liter motor. As mentioned before, small turbo engines are a mechanic's best buddy, and it has poor fuel consumption. And that's just the beginning of what's wrong with this SUV. This small compact car has a ridiculous starting price of $45,000. That's more than a Lexus NX, Acura RDX, and Volvo XC40. Alfa Tonales also have terrible resale value. Kelley Blue Book estimates that the 2024 Ti will lose $25,000 from its value in just 5 years. J.D. Power gave the 2026 a quality and reliability score of 60. That is by far the worst rating on this list. 2. The Chevrolet Trailblazer Active. The next SUV has no redeeming qualities. Well, that's not true. The Chevy Trailblazer looks like an SUV that would be fun to steer. Sadly, it isn't. This subcompact SUV has been bashed by critics and owners alike. Even the 2026 version delivers low customer satisfaction, further hurting Chevrolet's reputation. Like the Trax, it has a turbocharged 1.2-liter 3-cylinder engine. However, this only delivers 137 horsepower. Worse still, it uses a continuously variable transmission, CVT. Despite the CVT and small engine, fuel economy isn't stellar. You only get 26 miles per gallon in the city and 30 miles per gallon on the highway, which is average for its class. For $25,000, you can do a lot better. Add a couple extra grand, and you could get a Subaru Crosstrek or a Hyundai Kona. Other problems include small cargo space, poor handling, and a noisy cabin. The infotainment system is outdated, and only higher trims get competitive safety features. The only positive is that Chevrolet has provided a generous warranty. Seeing as CVTs and small turbos don't last long, you're going to need it. 3. In the third spot is the Fiat 500X. The Fiat 500X is meant to be a larger Panda, but it fails in almost every regard. It is a bland-looking SUV with a spotty safety record and poor customer satisfaction. Completely avoid the 2022, which was recalled 6 times by the NHTSA. Since then, Fiat has made some improvements. The 2026 model is the best one yet, but it's still a clunker. It has a digital gauge cluster, optional leather upholstery, and a panoramic sunroof. Under the hood is a turbocharged 1.3-liter 4-cylinder producing 177 horsepower. The all-wheel drive of this engine does 0 to 60 miles per hour in 8.5 seconds. The numbers sound impressive, but the reality tells a different story. Consumer Reports noted that the 2024 model has a big initial delay when accelerating from a stop. The 2026 is slightly better, but it still has a sluggish response. More disturbing is the abysmal 50,000-mile powertrain warranty that is half of what nearly every other manufacturer offers. That should let you know how little Fiat thinks of its engine. And yes, the small turbo engine will break down fairly quickly. The $28,000 asking price is also too close to more reliable SUVs from Honda, Mazda, and Toyota. 4. The Jeep Compass. You would expect the oldest SUV manufacturer in the world to be the most reliable. Sadly, that is not the case, at least not with the Jeep Compass. The Compass has 2 different engine types, including the infamous 2.0-liter Tiger Shark. This is a naturally aspirated 4-cylinder that produces 177 horsepower. It is also the same engine in the Jeep Renegade, and it has been a disaster. Jeep had to recall 500,000 vehicles due to a faulty fuel injector. This caused cars to combust spontaneously. Sadly, the engines in the hybrid and plug-in hybrid are also questionable. A manufacturing defect in the 2020 to 2024 battery could cause it to just stop working. If you must buy a Jeep Compass, get the turbocharged 2.0-liter Hurricane. When maintained properly, the engine will last at least 150,000 miles. Still, the asking price of the Compass is $29,000. You can find better SUVs around that price or less. Jeep's limited warranty is another reason not to buy this SUV. The powertrain warranty is only 5 years or 60,000 miles and 3 years or 36,000 miles limited warranty. If the engine was more reliable, this wouldn't be a problem. If you're looking for a hybrid, we have a much better option later on. But first, some more miserable SUVs. 5. At number 5, we have the Land Rover Discovery. Starting off our list is a car that has fallen a long way. Land Rovers used to be known for dependability. Sadly, newer models are not worth the exorbitant price tags. However, they're still great-looking SUVs, though. These rugged mid-size SUVs have stunning exteriors and a premium interior. It has a 11.4-inch touchscreen, a 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster, and a 10-inch head-up display. Higher trims also get quilted leather seats and Meridian or Pivi Pro sound systems. The engine is powerful and built for off-roading. It has an 8-speed automatic V6 producing 355 horsepower. In an alternate universe, this would be better than a Lexus, but quality control issues make this a questionable buy. Recent problems include suspension faults, loss of vehicle control, and fire risk in the PHEV. The starting price of $60,000 is ridiculous for a non-reliable SUV. The Discovery Sport P300e Hybrid is double the price, but has disappointing fuel economy. With gas only, fuel economy is just 21 miles per gallon combined. The Toyota Highlander LE Hybrid offers much better fuel economy and costs $30,000 less. The fully loaded Rover costs almost $95,000. That's much higher than the best electric SUV in 2026, which we'll reveal later in this video. The Platinum Tier 7, the year's best. 1. Porsche Macan EV Turbo. The first car is the Porsche Macan EV Turbo. Porsche has produced another masterpiece with the Porsche Macan EV Turbo. This is the best electric SUV in 2026. To make a car better than Tesla, BMW, and Lucid is outstanding. First thing that stands out about this car is the design. The Macan EV Turbo looks like something from a movie, and it moves like it. The 630 horsepower motor does 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.10 seconds. That's faster than a Lamborghini Urus Performance and the Aston Martin DBX. The only disappointing thing is that it only gets 75 miles per gallon equivalent. That is less than nearly all competitors. Fortunately, fast charging comes as standard, so you can quickly replenish. You also get a range of 288 miles, which is good enough for most driving conditions. At $80,000, the Porsche Macan EV Turbo is on the high side, but compared to some luxury cars, it is affordable and more reliable. But if you think it's out of your price range, you've got 6 other great SUVs to buy in 2026. 2. At number 2 is the Toyota RAV4 Prime. Choosing the best hybrid SUV for 2026 was another tight race. Critics were split between the Honda CR-V Hybrid, Kia Sportage, and the RAV4. All of these SUVs are great buys for 2026, but the RAV4 slightly edges them out. The reason is simple. The Toyota RAV4 is also a great vehicle, but a hybrid takes it up several notches. Even though it's $43,000, you get your money's worth. There is enough space for 3 adults in the rear seats and loads of cargo space. You get 33.5 cubic feet behind the second row and 69.8 cubic feet with the seats down. The powertrain is a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder paired with 2 electronic motors. Combined, they produce 302 horsepower and 288 pound-feet of torque. The RAV4's eCVT is a bit of a letdown, but it helps deliver exceptional fuel economy. You get 40 miles per gallon in the city and 38 on the highway. Unlike the Mercedes GLE, most driver assistance features are standard in the hybrid trims. Adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and traffic sign recognition are standard. There is a lot that comes with the base hybrid trim, which makes its high price more reasonable. 3. Lexus RX 350. Choosing the best luxury midsize for 2026 was difficult, but the Lexus just inched by the Audi Q7, BMW X5, and the Genesis G80. The Porsche Cayenne was also in the running, but its price tag is astronomical. What ultimately won it for the Lexus is the abundance of options. First, you can choose between a 6-seat or a 7-seat. Next, you get 4 engine options. These include turbocharged 4, 6, and 8 cylinders. This provides a robust range of horsepower from 275 to 500. There are 5 regular Lexus trims, including the Lexus 450h plus plug-in hybrid. You also get 2 F-Sport options. Wheel options range from 19 to 21-inch alloy wheels. Even though this Lexus is good, you have to buy packages to make it great. Blind spot assist, adaptive cruise control, and lane keeping assist cost an extra $1,950. Front seats are heated as standard, but ventilated seats cost extra. The good thing about the packages, though, is that they provide more customization. You could end up with an SUV that's practically a Bentley for less than half the price. If this video tickles your fancy or saves you from a car catastrophe, smash that like button and subscribe. 4. Honda Pilot. Taking the 4th spot is the Honda Pilot. Just like the Genesis G70, the Honda Pilot has been a shocking success. It is the best 3-row SUV, the best midsize SUV, and perhaps just the best SUV, period. For 2026, the Pilot has gotten even better. It now has an updated grille, new headlights, and new 20-inch alloy wheels on higher trims. Inside, you have an option for an 8-seater or 7-seater with captain's chairs. There are more safety features than ever. Smart cruise control with stop and go is standard on all trims. Higher trims get a blind spot camera when you signal and a 360-degree camera. Under the hood is a 3.5-liter V6 delivering 285 horsepower and 27 miles per gallon on the highway. What makes the Pilot stand out is its level of practicality. The large, comfortable seats make it perfect for long trips. Plus, there's the 5,000-pound towing capacity on lower trims and 5,500 on the highest. This SUV is also great for off-roading and performance driving. With a starting price of $37,000, it is a steal for families. 5. Audi Q3. Audi has redeemed itself by producing the best luxury subcompact with the Q3. The German brand's cheapest SUV is a car almost anyone can afford. Starting at $39,800, this car offers more value and better handling than its competitors. Under the hood is a turbocharged 2.0-liter 4-cylinder, coughing up 228 horsepower. It provides a satisfying fuel economy of 25 miles per gallon combined. If you want more firepower, the SQ3's turbocharged 2.5-liter generates 300 horsepower. Frankly, the smaller engine is more than enough. Both have a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission that is smooth. The base premium trim does 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 7.0 seconds. This provides plenty of power and fun when driving the family. And yes, this seats 5 adults comfortably, unlike its competitors. If we had to find something wrong with the Q3, it would be its pricey add-ons. Driver assistance features like adaptive cruise control and lane keep assist cost extra. Head-up display, video augmented reality, and 360-degree camera are also premium. 6. Acura RDX. The best luxury compact SUV for 2026 is the Acura RDX. Close competitors in this class include the Porsche Macan, BMW X3, and the Lincoln Corsair. While each of these cars does a lot of things well, the RDX excels in every category. The exterior looks sportier and more modern than most of its European competitors. This is due to its jewel-eye headlamps, diamond grille, and sweeping curves. As good as it looks outside, it gets even better inside. The biometric authentication system is a work of art. With a tap of your finger, the car starts and restores your saved seat and mirror settings. There is so much tech in the car that driving is now almost too easy. The electronically controlled suspension scans the road for potholes. It then diverts suspension to the wheels as needed to maintain balance. Another great feature is the remote parking assist. When you're in a tight spot, it can park and pull out the car while you watch. Let's not forget about the engine. Base trims get a turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder producing 272 horsepower. This yields respectable fuel economy of 21 miles per gallon in the city and 27 miles per gallon on the highway. A 10-speed automatic and all-wheel drive come as standard. You can also opt for a turbocharged V6 that generates 355 horsepower. The best thing about the Acura RDX is the starting price of just $44,000. This makes it the cheapest luxury SUV by a mile, despite being a much better car. 7. Subaru Outback. All right, now that we've squeezed all the sour lemons, check out our video, 17 Worst Cars That No One Buys. The Subaru Outback kicks us off as the best compact for 2026. It beat out close competitors like the Honda CR-V, Hyundai Tucson, and even the Subaru Forester. Ironically, the Forester is meant to outsell the Outback, but buyers won't let it. The Subaru Outback is loved for its gracious styling, handling of curves, and reliability. And unlike its competitors, it doesn't use a DCT. The base 2.5-liter inline-4 engine produces 182 horses and 176 pound-feet of torque. You also get a 6-speed automatic transmission, and it's all-wheel drive. This symphony of parts creates responsive acceleration and excellent handling. You get decent fuel economy of 26 miles per gallon in the city and 32 miles per gallon on the highway. If you want more speed, the top trims have the same engine but turbocharged. These produce 260 horsepower, capable of going 0 to 60 miles per hour in 6.0 seconds. For 2026, Subaru has reintroduced the Base S trim. This has brought the starting price down by $800 to $28,000. As if that wasn't enough, this car now comes with better safety features as standard. These include adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and pedestrian detection. This makes driving the Subaru Outback easier than ever. The only downside of the Outback is the limited legroom for rear passengers. Cargo space is also small compared to competitors. The Outback also doesn't have a hybrid version. We've just covered the best and worst SUVs of 2026, all served up on a silver platter. If you'd like to learn more about cars, hit that like button, smash subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.